arm drag where we can't take the back. He starts circling off, I can't take the back, I get to the lat here, turn around towards me, yeah. Get my head positioning under his. Step across, block, and basically sit down, look. We're here. Let's see from another angle. Over here, please. So we're here, our heads make contact first, hands, we look to get the top position on the wrist, high up, here, under the armpit. You start circling on, I'm here, okay? From this position, I step across, block, and get to the top position, dragging him down to the ground, okay? Now, I want you to kind of break this move up into sections. I don't want you to just kind of like rush, because it is kind of broken down to 2 sections. First one is where you get to the lat, okay? So we're here, we get to the lat. I want you to feel the connection here. I want your partner to move around, circle out, and I just want you to feel how strong of a connection you have here, okay? Don't slack on the grip that you have here and the arm and lose this position, okay? Stay connected. He's going to move around, slouch over a bit. Yeah, move around. I just stay connected. When he stops, that's when I step across. Look, I step across, block, and drive him down to the ground. Is that clear enough? Perfect, let's go. 1, 2, 3, practice.